Once upon a time, in a far-off galaxy, lived a unique alien named Darkseid. But unlike the villainous Darkseid you might know from stories, this one was different. He was kind and caring, a true friend to all. Every night, Darkseid would float above his planet, looking down at the stars and twinkling lights below. He loved the beauty of the universe and wanted to share it with others. One night, while gazing at the sky, Darkseid noticed a small, lost spaceship. Inside, a little alien was crying, scared and alone. Darkseid felt his heart fill with compassion. "Don't be afraid," Darkseid said, his voice as gentle as a whisper. "I'll help you get home." He guided the little alien back to her planet, where she was met with cheers and hugs from her family. The little alien was so grateful to Darkseid, who smiled warmly and continued his nightly journey. The next night, Darkseid saw another spaceship in trouble. This time, it was a group of children lost in the vastness of space. Darkseid quickly flew to their aid, rescuing them and bringing them safely home. Word spread about Darkseid's kindness, and soon, lost beings from all over the galaxy sought his help. Darkseid, always ready to lend a hand, never turned any of them away. One by one, Darkseid brought peace and happiness to the galaxy, showing everyone that even a powerful alien like him could be kind and caring. And as he floated above the twinkling lights of his planet each night, he knew he had made a difference. So, when you look up at the stars tonight, remember Darkseid, the kind and gentle alien who made the galaxy a safer, friendlier place. Good night, and may your dreams be filled with thoughts of friendship and kindness, just like Darkseid's.